Hi. This is a continuation of the blog I created on how to buy your website domain name and hosting in Bluehost. So, in this blog, I discussed how you can buy your domain name and how to buy your hosting. So, now if you have completed these two, you are ready to make your website live. So, how do you do that? Okay, so once you completed this, now you have a login to your WordPress site. Okay, now you are going to be redirected to your dashboard. Okay, so in my case, I'm showing you mine. And to make your website live, go to your appearance here and then go to themes. So, there are lots and lots of free WordPress themes that you can use. For example, this one is famous, the 2021 WordPress template, the 2022 WordPress template. So you can actually check how it looks like with the live preview. So let me open that so I could show you. So, since I have content already, this is how it looks like. But in your case, it will be empty. Yeah. So that's how you are going to see how it looks like for this template. And then if you like the template, then you can just activate and publish. But for the sake of this tutorial, I am going to show you the WordPress theme that I am using, which is the Chick Light. This one is actually free. It's offered by Rara Theme. Yeah, so you can actually Google WordPress. Yeah, let me just show you WordPress themes free download, and you'll have different WordPress templates here. You can just choose, and it depends with your niche. There are actually several WordPress themes that you can see. For example, if you're newspaper, a web agency, a pet shop, you already have like everything you need here. For example, this one, if you want to check the live demo, how the site looks like. So here, so for example, if you're a pet shop owner, you can just select this one and then click download. Once you get the download, you can go to your WordPress dashboard and then go to appearance and then simply upload that WordPress theme that you have downloaded and then upload and then click activate. So mine, it's this one. I chose Chiclite. um you can actually check it from here. Yeah, this one. I can show you, I can send you this link in the description below if you want this template. So I'm using this one, and the live preview for that one is this one. Yep, I like it because it's really easy to navigate, and it's clean and simple, and I can like um easily add plugins here. I can show you how to add plugins in the next video tutorials.